Hello YouTube, today I'll be showing you the the cheat to get all levels, which is easy. I'll show you in a second. So when it starts right here, you go down to options, press start, go to sound select, sound test, and enter this code. I'll give you a little while. 19650917. I'll leave it in the description too. I'm gonna go ahead and enter that. I'll let you look at that, I guess. You should hear it play music, the Invincibility song. Or the start song, actually. For 19. And for 65, you should hear this. Hear a little weird noise. And for 9, dang it. Hang on. Hear that. For 17. Hear that. Now, I didn't do it right because I pressed it twice or not, so I'll be back and show you. So it should look like that. 19650917. Okay, so after you've gotten the last number, which is, again, 19650917, you just hit start on the Sega. And as soon as you're about to go to the first start screen, press A and start. Dang it. It'll still work as long as you don't turn it off. Like, just hit the reset button and it should still work. Just let me try this one more time. You have to do it at the right time. Yeah, there you go. You have to press these two. And there you go. You get the list of all the levels. I hope this helped you guys, and thanks for watching, and subscribe for more. I'm gonna go play the special stage.